this is really a huge, how do I say, change from all the roles that I've done before. Because everyone knows me as, you know, someone who's parang rom-com, someone who does rom-coms, dramas, yung mga romance stuff, and my roles are always like yung mabait na anak, someone who's like, parang ano naman, palaban, but alam mo yun, parang mabait na anak. Ganun palagi yung role ko, so lagi ako mabait. So this time, parang I'm happy because I was able to explore and try out a different style of acting as well. And I wanted to see then parang kung ano yung kaya ko pang gawin. Kasi this time around, as in sobrang extreme talaga yung pagkakaiba niya from my previous characters. And to be honest, it is parang something that I've always wanted to do kasi I wanted to see kung ano pa nga talaga yung kaya kong gawin and what other kind of genres or even roles that I can do in the future. And knowing me, you know, I'm very, I love exploring and I like trying different things. So hopefully from here on, sana naman mas maging dark pa yung next characters ko. Or I don't know, let's see. Pero it seems to me that I'm going the darker side of acting. Let's see.